Hi, fellow viewers, to everybody. Good morning. My name is Steve. My complete name is Steve Ho Ong. I'm the owner of this video account in this respective website, youtube.com. By the way, my next Banco Filipino related videos is about the um, to major stockholders. If I'm not mistaken, this will be my third video. By the way, sa lahat ng major stockholders na buhay pa as of 2024, because next year it will be 2025. Oh, by the way, I forgot to say Merry Christmas to the former Board of Directors of Banco Filipino. Merry Christmas. By the way, if you can recall my past few videos, meron akong minention na, what do you call this? Kung just in case magka-problema ang bangko, kasi ito nadapa na for the second time, yung sa second closure, ang nakikita kong solution is kung just in case hindi pwede ma-merge, pwede siya what do you call this? Magkaroon ng diversified conglomerate. Yes. Diversified conglomerate. Alam niyo yan. Yung mga nag-aral ng law, yung Corporation Code of the Philippines or Corporate Laws of the Philippines, yung batas ng korporasyon. Alam niyo yan. Yun lang nakikita kong alternative. Kasi para lang ma-survive ang Bangko Pilipino. Oh, by the way, kung just in case mayroon pa kayong government securities, yun pa rin ang nakikita kong alternative solution. Kasi kung walang solution, hindi rin masosolve. Okay? By the way, yun na lang ang tanging option. So, please share it to your fellow majority stockholders in this video because this is very significant. Thank you so much for listening in this video. Good morning, and don't forget to subscribe and click my notification bell for my next Banco Filipino related videos. By the way, this is not only third video, may kasunod pa ito. May kasunod pa. Ang ginagawa ko kasi sa video na ito, chapter by chapter, hindi ito pwede yung isang video lang. Kasi baka isang video, hindi na kayo makatulog. Kasi ito, lahat ng sinasabi ko ay napaka-important. Very important. And we need it to solve as soon as possible. What do you call this? So, yun lang. Diversified conglomerate. Yan yung nangyari sa Bank of Commerce, if you can remember. Yung name, continue lang yung name. Pero hindi siya na-merge sa ibang name ng bank. Company lang ang nag-save. So, yun ang gusto kong mangyari sa Bangko Pilipino. Kasi kung i-merge sa iba, ang kinakabahan ko, ito, baka magkaroon ng highest maintaining balance. So, another problem sa mga depositors. So, na-burden na naman. Na-save pero tumaas ang maintaining. Yan ang sa akin. Okay? So, yan lang. Diversified conglomerate. Tapos, yung affiliates baka madagdagan. Of course, related sa Bangko Filipino. Ang real estate, okay naman. Nakita ko ang financial background sa ibang affiliates. Okay? So, that's it. Before I say goodbye, I would like to say again, Merry Christmas to the former directors of Bangko Filipino before the second closure. Remember, there's a saying, if there's a problem, there's a solution. Thank you so much.